Hi, in this video we're going to take a look how to insert and configure VirusHC plugin in Propellerhead Reason 9.5 on a PC. So before we go into it, I would recommend to go on our website on a VirusHC prod page and see the video how I've done MIDI aux routing with the loop MIDI interface, so that we get physical MIDI input cloned into virtual port in and virtual port out into physical MIDI output. This makes the plugin usage a lot easier and it works smoother in overall features. So let's get into Reason. And I would like to point out that I am not a Reason user. This is very much unknown DAW for me. But what I've learned so far, we need to go to Preferences and choose External Control. And we're going to choose the loop MIDI port in and close this one. So now if we play MIDI notes from the device, we are getting this channel blinking right here. So we are receiving MIDI from the keyboard or the loop port in. And next up, let's create MIDI tracks. So these are now being created to point out the MIDI into the loop MIDI port out, which is the virtual MIDI channel. Let's call this VirusHC channel 1. And MIDI channel is set to 1, and we can duplicate this device and track, and again and again. Now let's make sure that these are all set to different channels so that we are not hearing the sound played on the same channel on the plugin. Okay, let's add the VirusHC plugin. And open up. First of all, we go to multi-settings, choose the appropriate model from here, which is VirusC. Then I'm going to go to the advanced MIDI settings and block out note messages, so they won't appear in this plugin GUI while we are playing the notes on the different tracks. Then we go to choose the MIDI in and out. So this is the physical device where the Virus MIDI out is connected into, and vice versa. Plugin is ready to go. So it has found the virus from those ports on a device ID 1. If you want to start from scratch, you can obviously start double clicking patches on each of the parts, and those patches will be sent to the virus. But in this case, I'm going to synchronize data from hardware so that I get the current arrangement data from the VirusC into the plugin GUI. Okay, that's all done. So now that we've got 4 of those MIDI tracks, we can go to each of these MIDI tracks and start playing. Actually, we need to choose this one right here. Okay, and then the next one. And the next one. I'm probably not an expert on using this, but I think there should be an easier way to do it instead of scrolling through the channels like this. Okay, so you can do your MIDI clips and MIDI blocks right on these MIDI tracks, and these notes will be sent directly into your virus from the DAW, and you can do all of the automation on this instrument channel, so you get to find all of the automation parameters in this view. I'm not sure how to do it on Reason because, like I said, this is very much unknown DAW for me. So I hope this helps out how to insert and configure the VirusHC in Reason, and how to add the channels, and obviously if you have routed your virus directly into your DAW, you need to add audio tracks or input channel or something like that, and then get the audio from your sound card into the Reason and route it that way. But since I don't know how to use it, I can't really explain. But yeah, in the next video we're going to take a look how to use the Librarian functions, and how to store and request data from the virus, and how to use these two different windows all together. So see you soon. Bye.